Can you see yourself in the 2024 Hyundai Tucson? Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver seat, alarm, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.